Good evening and welcome to the news channel. We're keeping aliens hostage. I'm Daniella and this is Fernando. We'll be your co-hosts for this evening's podcast.
Tonight you're about to experience something like never before. Late last night we received contact from two alien life forms. They explored so much of the galaxy and are with us here today reporting live from Jupiter.
So this is the alien.
You guys are ready?
Greetings, Daniella and Fernando. We are pleased to be on tonight's show. As you can see, we're here on this planet, Jupiter. We know you humans have never traveled here, so we are excited to tell you about it.
If you look behind me, you'll see Jupiter and its stripes. The colors of Jupiter's stripes are red, brown, orange, yellow, and white. Also, if you look to the left, you can see the red spot.
Wow, it's one thing to read about and look at pictures of Jupiter, but it's so exciting to see it live. I'm looking behind and it seems like it's pretty windy there. Could you tell us a little bit more about the weather of Jupiter? On Jupiter?
You're absolutely right. The weather here is really windy, and there are lots of storms here. Also, it's 2,400 degrees here on Jupiter.
Yes, weather on Jupiter is caused by the ranging winds, and those winds go up to 400 miles per hour.
3, 2, 1.
And I thought the long winds in Chicago were bad. I can't imagine living on Jupiter, but I have to ask. I thought there was no gravity in space, so what's the gravity like up there?
Okay.
It's different to Earth because Jupiter has a very strong magnetic field protecting Jupiter, and it's made out of gas and liquids.
Jupiter is the biggest planet and it has more gravity. It has 24.79 meters per second squared. You're absolutely right, and it's the size of Jupiter that determines the strength of its gravity. The mass of Jupiter is 1.898 times 10 to the 27th kilogram.
Ready.
Wow, I did not realize it was the mass of the planet that determines how strong gravity was. Very interesting. I wonder how its gravitational force would affect humans.
I thought the same thing. That leads us to our final question. If humans had the technology to travel to Jupiter, would we be able to survive?
Ha! Definitely not. Your human bodies are way weaker than our alien bodies. You would not be able to survive there yet.
One reason humans couldn't survive is Jupiter has 24.79 meters per second squared, a gravity that can crush your bones. Another reason is that Jupiter's made out of gas and you would just fall through it. Also, the weather is 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit.
That was very helpful. Unfortunately, it looks like we're out of time. Thank you again, Vivi and Noah, for our time and for sharing so much about it.
Yes. Yes. Talking to intelligent beings from space has been a dream come true. We appreciate your time and hope to do it again.